I'm on a noble quest to review every single website builder on the internet, and today we're going to talk about WordPress. You've definitely heard of WordPress if you've heard anything about website builders. WordPress, I guess, is technically like a program that you can use to host and build a website, right? It was like the first website builder ever. WordPress.com is a system that makes that tool, WordPress, easier to use and online. In terms of like possibilities for WordPress, they're essentially limitless because the plugin system that has been built around WordPress and the community that has used and built stuff for WordPress is practically limitless. There's really no limit to what you could build with WordPress, which is nice. The pricing is fine, $9 for a personal site per month, but they discount it really heavily, like 55% discount by paying annually. Like that is a sign that they're trying to lock you in, and I hate that they do that. And also, WooCommerce, which is like the default plugin for e-commerce on WordPress, is so expensive. I hate this. I hate that they do this. Claim your first domain free, so they try to push you again into an annual plan. One compliment that I will give to WordPress is that it is very SEO optimized by default because Google and all the other search engines are really used to WordPress. Something like 40% of the web, a few years back at least, was built on WordPress. It's just very, very used to its structure. And so if you're looking to be SEO optimized, WordPress definitely is. And what I said in the beginning of you can build anything you can imagine on Webflow, it's through the plugins marketplace. There are so many plugins for every possible thing you could imagine, but basically every single useful one is going to add on a monthly fee. Like if you want to add forms into your WordPress, but that's an extra $12 a month. If you want to add more premium SEO features, that's an extra $10 a month. If you want to make the visual interface for building the website easier and more intuitive, you can use things like Elementor. You can use that for if you're on the business plan, which is $40 a month. I'm giving it a 3 out of 5. I might catch some heat for that, but the space of website builders has exploded since WordPress was invented. I consider it legacy software. Like you don't have to settle for it anymore because there are so many more modern, much more usable and flexible tools out there than WordPress. You can build most things that you could ever imagine on WordPress. It's just going to cost you a lot of time and a lot of money for features that you get pre-baked into other tools like something like a Framer or like a Webflow. There's just better stuff out there, in my opinion. Thanks so much for watching. The review is up at beta.co, beyta.co. The link is in the description and the first comment. Thanks again for watching. If you have other tools you want me to review, let me know in the comments.